This is Computer Tech World. Computer Tech World. Computer Tech World.
ಪ್ರಿಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನೀವಿನ್ನೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ಹಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಲು
Subscribe to this channel.
ಈ ಐಕಾನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Lesson 1. Computer Overview. Today's world is an information-rich world, and it has become a necessity for everyone to know about computers. A computer is an electronic data processing device which accepts and stores data input, processes the data input, and generates the output in a required format. The purpose of this tutorial is to introduce you to computers and its fundamentals. Functionalities of a computer. If we look at it in a very broad sense, any digital computer carries out the following 5 functions. Step 1 takes data as input. Step 2 stores the data instructions in its memory and uses them as required. Step 3 processes the data and converts it into useful information. Step 4 generates the output. Step 5 controls all the above 4 steps. Advantages of computers. Following are certain advantages of computers. High speed. Point computer is a very fast device. Point it is capable of performing calculation of very large amount of data. Point the computer has units of speed in microsecond, nanosecond, and even the picosecond. Point it can perform millions of calculations in a few seconds as compared to man who will spend many months to perform the same task. Accuracy. Point in addition to being very fast, computers are very accurate. Point the calculations are 100% error-free. Point computers perform all jobs with 100% accuracy provided that the input is correct. Storage capability. Point memory is a very important characteristic of computers. Point a computer has much more storage capacity than human beings. Point it can store large amount of data. Point it can store any type of data such as images, videos, text, audio, etc. Diligence. Point unlike human beings, a computer is free from monotony, tiredness, and lack of concentration. Point it can work continuously without any error and boredom. Point it can perform repeated tasks with the same speed and accuracy. Versatility. Point a computer is a very versatile machine. Point a computer is very flexible in performing the jobs to be done. Point this machine can be used to solve the problems related to various fields. Point at one instance, it may be solving a complex scientific problem, and the very next moment it may be playing a card game. Reliability. Point a computer is a reliable machine. Point modern electronic components have long lives. Point computers are designed to make maintenance easy. Automation. Point computer is an automatic machine. Point automation is the ability to perform a given task automatically. Once the computer receives a program I, the program is stored in the computer memory, then the program and instruction can control the program execution without human interaction. Reduction in paperwork and cost. Point the use of computers for data processing in an organization leads to reduction in paperwork and results in speeding up the process. Point as data in electronic files can be retrieved as and when required, the problem of maintenance of large number of paper files gets reduced. Point though the initial investment for installing a computer is high, it substantially reduces the cost of each of its transactions. Disadvantages of computers. Following are certain disadvantages of computers. No IQ. Point a computer is a machine that has no intelligence to perform any task. Point each instruction has to be given to the computer. Point a computer cannot take any decision on its own. Dependency. Point it functions as per the user's instruction, thus it is fully dependent on humans. Environment. Point the operating environment of the computer should be dust-free and suitable. No feeling. Point computers have no feelings or emotions. Point it cannot make judgment based on feeling, taste, experience, and knowledge unlike humans.